right guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. First up, I need to moisturize my lips. So today is just a quick skincare video, and really, you know, I want to utilize this video for a short as well. My goal is to, you know, do more shorts. So we're gonna get right into this video. My lips in my hand, so I'm not on here crusty with you guys. Almost 3 whole minutes and I haven't really done anything yet. All right, so this is Rose and Pomegranate Oil, Nourishing Face Oil. Rose oil nourishes and rejuvenates. Pomegranate oil, antioxidant and vitamin packed. Rose geranium oil, tones and balances. This Lux oil blend is a rich source of botanical oil and vitamin E, helping to preserve and nourish. Skin rejuvenated and suppleness is improved, resulting in healthy looking, luminous skin for all skin types. Use twice a day. Massage 2 to 3 drops into cleanse, tone skin for extra hydration and glow. Add 1 to 2 drops of your moisturizer before applying. Okay, so use moisturizer before you use that, which I was thinking I was going to use it for my moisturizer, but we're going to follow directions. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my St. Ives AHA Exfoliating Toner. I've really been loving this. As mentioned before, I feel like my skin is a little bit clearer because it exfoliates. Not all the time, but this does tingle a little bit. All right, we're gonna go in with our Snail Rescue. I love using that after the exfoliator. Seems like it just really calms my skin down after using that exfoliator. Beauty Stat Universal Pro Moisture Boost Cream. Get a little bit of that. I like to use my lash applicator as a spatula. I like the way that moisturizer feels. It kind of feels like a primer. Almost has like a mattifying feel to it, but not quite. All right, and now we're going in with our Rose Oil blend. And I won't do it now, but I will do a voiceover explaining some of the benefits and the price and everything. This is how it looks, which is really nice for like traveling if you want to put the cap back on. Oh, and also it has this safety cap on the inside. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see. What does it say? How many drops? 2 to 3 drops. Okay. Definitely does have a rose smell to it. And it's quite free flowing. So I'm just going to do a drop in each area to not overdo it. Definitely smells of roses. I'm not a fan of floral scents like that, like heavy floral scents, but it feels really good on the skin. As you can see, my skin looks nice and hydrated. I like that. I like the way it looks. Let's see if it's gonna work with the makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and do the makeup and I'll be right back. So I am back. This is my makeup. You can see my lashes still giant, but you can see, besides my highlighter, you can see that there is a nice natural glow. You can kind of see on my forehead, and it just coming through my makeup. It doesn't feel like overly oily or anything like that, and it did pair well with my makeup, which is always my concern with using skincare. So I think it looks good. This is another item that I can incorporate daily just to get a little bit more hydration. Hydration to me is really important. I am definitely a beauty over 40 and a mature woman, and I want to, as much as possible, keep my skin nice and hydrated and supple, as it did mention. I will insert a voiceover, just a little bit more information about this rose oil. So I'm gonna pause for the calls while I do a voiceover here. All right, guys, so this product is $24. $24, and how much did I pay for my BoxyCharm? $30, along with all of those other wonderful products. But it's a botanical blend. It's infused with a powerful complex of youth-preserving oils to help improve skin's elasticity and glow. Sweet almond, rose hip, jojoba, pomegranate, seed, and rose geranium oils nourish the complexion. Leave skin comforted and smooth to the touch. Suitable for all skin types. Paraben free, not tested on animals, and you get 1.01 ounces. Use twice a day for extra hydration. Add a couple drops into your moisturizer. All right, guys, I hope that was enough information about this product. Again, this product was in a BoxyCharm for May. I really enjoyed that box. I was able to review quite a few products that was in that BoxyCharm. But let me know, is this a product you have heard of? If you've used it, what your thoughts are, definitely let me know. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Also, I'd like to mention, if you are a Beauty Over 40 and you'd like to join the Beauty Over 40 collab, we come together once a month and come up with a theme, and then we create a look based around that theme. All right, guys, so that is it for my video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _Beauty Over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.